Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This one is the extension tube for under the sink, and this is the 1¼ inch by 12 inch slip joint extension with the nut and washer. So I got this out of eBay for $2.27 free shipping plus tax. So the total is $2.24, and I also purchased the 1½ inch by 8 inch for $1.77 free shipping plus tax is $1.92. But somehow that one is back order, so I'm not sure why the seller listed on their store, and I still haven't convenient. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got here. I'll try to look at the Lowe's or Home Depot. It's like a $4 and something, so. So this is the SKU number right here, and then the name that I just went over. So yeah, it's pretty good for this price. And this is the Eastman made in China PVC extension tube. Yeah, so I didn't know what size was this, so this one probably too small for my sink. That's why I purchased 1½, but unfortunately that one's back order, so. So this is the washer. And this is the extension to connect it to your sink. Unless you have install a new sink bowl, and then the drain is too short, then you need to add this extension longer so it reaches to your P-trap. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.